Ethics involving members of Congress is pretty clear. In fact, online there are pages and pages of documents detailing when a member of Congress can accept a gift and when they can't. But come with me on a short walk across the street from the Capitol. Over here at the Supreme Court, justices follow a completely different set of rules. Rules that some say need to change. One reason for the push for change is because of how influential Supreme Court justices are. From rulings on abortion last year to anticipated rulings on voting rights and race this year, their impact is as great as ever.
Ethics rules for judges just are different.
And that is where Charles Jay, a law professor at Indiana University, helps us understand what is going on at the High Court. Take, for instance, a code of ethics. The House and the Senate have one. So does the White House. The Supreme Court does not. Jay says the court is deeply rooted in tradition. Adopting an ethics policy has been a controversial idea.
They don't like getting pushed around by Congress. I think there probably is a feeling within the Supreme Court that they are a unique kind of court, that they are not subject to the regulation of mere mortals.
Ethics at the Supreme Court is in the spotlight again after ProPublica, a nonprofit journalism website, reported on lavish trips valued in the hundreds of thousands of dollars given to Justice Clarence Thomas by a prominent conservative donor. While federal law for decades has required justices to list their financial information, including some gifts, something known as the personal hospitality exemption has existed. Basically, if a justice thought someone was being nice to them as a person as opposed to their work as a judge, they wouldn't have to disclose it. Even something like a private jet ride could be kept private. That exemption, though, went away last month. Justice Thomas, in a statement, says his past trips didn't previously need to be disclosed, but going forward, he'll reveal them. Ethics at the Supreme Court has attracted the attention of Congress, with lawmakers in recent days calling for stricter rules in committee hearings. One idea is to withhold funding to the court until ethics policies are implemented. Democratic Congressman Hake Johnson.
This is really a new low for the court.
One change some lawmakers would like to see: right now, if you want to file or investigate an ethics complaint against a justice, no official procedure exists. Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.